Hello, and welcome to the channel. Today, we continue with the Earl Nightingale series, Diamonds in the Rough. Earl Nightingale was a popular radio broadcaster and motivational speaker who captivated his audience with his inspirational insights and wisdom. One of the most notable contributions was his audio program called The Strangest Secret, which sold millions of copies worldwide. Here are some key ideals and messages that Earl Nightingale shared with his listeners, and today we share them with you. Lesson number 4, Mindset. Earl Nightingale emphasized the significance of having a positive mindset and maintaining a constructive attitude. And Nightingale believed that our thoughts and attitudes have a direct impact on our outcomes and encouraged his audience to cultivate optimism and resilience. Let's explore the concept of mindset a little deeper, particularly the importance of cultivating a positive mindset, which Earl Nightingale emphasized. Here is an expanded explanation of how we can benefit from nurturing a positive mindset. Number 1, resilience. A positive mindset enhances resilience, allowing us to bounce back from setbacks and challenges more effectively. When we maintain a positive outlook on life, we view obstacles as temporary and solvable, enabling us to persevere with determination and optimism. Number 2, cultivating a positive mindset contributes to improved emotional well-being. Positive thinking can lead to reduced stress levels, increased happiness, and a greater sense of overall contentment. It helps us manage negative emotions, maintain proper perspective, and approach life with a more joyful and balanced perspective. Number 3, optimism and hope. A positive mindset fosters optimism and hope, which are vital for personal growth and achievement. By focusing on possibilities, solutions, and opportunities, we increase our belief in a brighter future. This positive expectation fuels motivation, innovation, and the pursuit of our goals. Number 4, increased productivity. A positive mindset enhances productivity and performance. When we approach tasks and challenges with a positive attitude, we are more likely to be proactive. We're more likely to be efficient, and we are more likely to be laser-like focused. Positivity fuels enthusiasm. It fuels creativity and a can-do attitude. I like it. I like it. It reminds me of the affirmation, I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. No, you can. No, you can. No, you can. Positivity fuels enthusiasm, creativity, and a can-do attitude, leading to greater productivity and achievement. Number 5, improved relationships. A positive mindset contributes to stronger and more fulfilling relationships. It attracts positive interactions, enhances communication, and fosters empathy and understanding. By approaching relationships with positivity, we create an uplifting and supportive environment that nurtures healthy connections and builds bridges and builds relationships. Number 6, problem solving. A positive mindset enables effective problem solving. When faced with difficulties, a positive mindset helps us approach them with a solution-oriented perspective. It allows us to identify opportunities. It allows us to think creatively and find alternative pathways to overcome those obstacles. Number 7, self-belief and confidence. Nurturing a positive mindset boosts self-belief and confidence. When we cultivate positive thoughts and self-talk, we develop a stronger belief in our abilities. This self-assurance allows us to take risks. It allows us to step outside of our comfort zones and pursue our aspirations with confidence. Number 8, personal growth. A positive mindset is closely tied to personal growth and development. It encourages a mindset of continuous learning, embracing challenges as opportunities for growth and seeking improvement. With a positive mindset, we are more open to learning from our experiences, gaining new perspectives, and evolving as individuals. Number 9, influence and inspiration. A positive mindset has a contagious effect, positively influencing those around us. When we radiate positivity, we inspire and uplift others, creating a ripple effect of optimism and motivation. Our positive mindset can serve as a catalyst for positive change in our communities and beyond. Number 10, enhancement for success. A positive mindset aligns us with success by believing in our potential, expecting favorable outcomes, and maintaining a positive attitude. We naturally attract opportunities and experiences that support and align with our goals. A positive mindset helps us recognize and seize these opportunities, accelerating our journey towards success. By cultivating a positive mindset, we can experience these benefits in various aspects of our lives. It empowers us to navigate challenges, maintain emotional well-being, foster strong relationships, and unlock the door towards our true potential. Embracing positivity creates a foundation for personal and professional success, happiness, and an enhanced, fulfilling life. In his lifetime, Earl Nightingale authored several influential books. These works have empowered millions of individuals worldwide, providing them with the tools to enhance their relationships, boost their confidence, and achieve massive personal growth and financial success. If you're a fan of his lectures and seminars, or if you would like to do a deeper dive into the teachings and wisdoms of Earl Nightingale, I left a link in the description below. If you're enjoying this series and want to gain more from his valuable wisdoms and insights, click on the next video in our Earl Nightingale series, Diamonds in the Rough. Remember, the keys to success is in your hands. We simply have to make a choice to turn the key and step through the door and overcome the hardships and adversities that the journey may bring, or keep the key in our pocket and stay stagnant. It seems to be a simple choice. Have faith, believe in yourself, and take massive action every single day towards your desired goals. Remember to stay focused, rid yourself of negative thoughts, and concentrate on staying positive. And remember these words of Earl Nightingale when he said, "Success and happiness are not matters of chance, but choice." If we brought you value today, subscribe to our channel to join our tribe of like-minded people. And remember the power of I am, because you are bold, you are strong, and you are relentless, a diamond in the rough. Until next time, stay safe, stay motivated, and thanks for watching The Growth Mindset. Take care.